Good morning to you. It's Saturday. We have a long drive ahead of us. Daisy is eager to go. Slow to start again this morning. I think the sat nav, if I have that on before I turn on the engine, she's just a bit like, whoa, that's too much, pal, you know. But I got her going on the kickstart, so all good. And when she's going, she turns on and off fine, there's no worries. Turn around, I found the exact same tween as a Daisy Bell. Bonjour.
Ah, c'est la même.
C'est la même moto.
Ride in France.
Oui, j'aime ici. J'aime ici au la moto.
No rain, no rain.
Oui.
India.
Oui,
With,
India aussi.
India. Ah,
C'est très bien. Mon est très... il voulait un lavage. Mais votre, c'est bien. Au revoir. Oh. There we go. Au revoir. What a coincidence, just seeing Daisy's other French twin. Same colour, same model. What are the chances? Just had to stop and say hello. The technical Irish term for how I've done this part of the trip is arseways. So we're driving 4 hours back the way we came towards Nantes. Bienvenue à Krestenberg. Hello, Mr. Horse. Giraffe. We just need some petrol as we're coming to the end of, well, this tank. She probably has about 30 more miles left in her, but best off not pushing that test to the limit, especially on such a hot day. Don't want to be pushing this a few miles up the road. Tell me it's open. Sans Plum 95. I've been using Sans Plum 98 for most of the time I've been here. Attention, I think it's closed. Let's find another place. Right, let's go. A lot of motards showed up. And that's not me making up a nasty portmanteau of motorcyclists and another word. It's the French word for bikers. So yeah, Chateau, here we go. Beautiful medieval city. I think the GoPro froze when I was doing the actual petrol filling, so it only filmed me putting in my PIN code, so I'm not including that in the video for obvious reasons. But so for 220 miles on the clock, yeah, because I filled it up at 20,002 miles and then filled it up again at 20,224 miles. 10 litres for 200 miles. It had another 2 litres, 2.5 litres in the tank. And I'm no fuel economist, but to me that seems pretty good. Perhaps it is. Beautiful day. If I'd left earlier, I probably would have done Machines of the Island first thing in the morning, but I just got delayed. So I have the Zumo on adventurous routing, and it's led me down this way. The way back up might be okay, but the way down, oh, this feels dodgy. But I know the bullet has traversed worse. I just don't want it to be. Wah! It's last. Good lord. Okay, I think we're past the worst of it. Sorry, that's like nothing compared. Oh, I think there's a lizard there. That's nothing compared with proper off-roading or anything, but when you weren't expecting it, it's a bit, wah, you know, all of a sudden this huge downhill over a dirt road. Don't puncture, don't puncture, don't puncture, don't puncture, don't puncture. Get us out of here. Yeah. Good old Daisy, sorry. She's gonna have the longest bath and maintenance session after I get back home. Okay, safe again. Woo! Sorry, you have to. Priority. You don't have the priority. And bienvenue à Chateau Bouillon. Chateau Bouillon. Bienvenue. Ah, insects. Oh, Daisy. You love doing that. So, here's the center of Chateau Bouillon. And here's where, if we're on a TV show, we take an ad break. So I'm gonna go figure this town out. And I'll come back to you tomorrow with part 2. Talk to you then.